is Katie and Agnestos with Ask Slim. Our level 4+ members are able to request analysis each week on 2 symbols of their choice. And last week, a member requested analysis on symbol BSTZ, which is the Blackrock Science and Technology Trust. I thought we'd take a look at it today because, first of all, it does not have earnings coming up, unlike so many symbols right now. And also, number 2, it's early in the rising phase of a new intermediate term cycle. So if you're tuning in for the first time, we practice a type of technical analysis comprised of 3 components: cycle analysis, momentum analysis, and swing high, swing low analysis. So in terms of cycle analysis, these cycle brackets on the bottom are a drawing tool that help us to identify money flow patterns into and out of a security. And these purple vertical lines show us where the actual cycle lows occurred relative to the ideal. And you can see how well those line up with the ideal going back for some time. There are also other aspects of cycle analysis as well, concepts such as phase, configuration, and translation, and those are characteristics of individual cycles that give us information about the condition of the market and help us predict probabilities of one outcome over another in terms of future price action. Now, for momentum analysis, we have a proprietary indicator called the Reversal Scout, and it is this green and purple ribbon that you see running through the chart. Now, notice how the Reversal Scout turned purple at the top of each cycle and warned you about the decline that was to come. And also notice how it turned green after those declines were over and there was a new rising phase in a new cycle. Now, swing high, swing low analysis involves identifying important levels where moves in price may terminate, change direction, where price may find support and resistance. Generally speaking, key price levels where it's important to watch how price behaves. So for BSTZ, you'll notice that we are coming out of this very bearish cycle. In the new cycle, we moved up for 3 or 4 weeks. We formed a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and then we started to retrace into this support zone. The Reversal Scout is still green, indicating positive momentum, but we are going to need to see an upside move soon or it will turn negative, which is a bearish sign. And so far, this support zone is holding. Now, we do use multiple time frame analysis, and our shorter time frame analysis suggests that we are imminently due for an upside move. Now, because this prior cycle was so bearishly configured, we're not really expecting much out of this current cycle. We are projecting a retest of the high of this cycle so far, which is around 30.5, up until the bottom of this resistance zone at about $32. Now, we watch the development of the cycles in the lower time frames to give us information. So, for example, if we were to trade under 26.5, let's say, in the next week or so, that's only $1 away, we would revise our intermediate term projections downward. On the other hand, if we were to trade over 32, then we would revise our projections upward. So the method of analysis that we practice is very dynamic. If you would like to learn more about cycle analysis, please visit our website at askslim.com. Thank you. Have a great day.